Welcome back. You're watching the 9th match in round 2 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Angels Primary on 21 and St. Jude's Primary on 20. Let's now go to the final challenge, and in this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian's new ultimate provider clock. Teams, let's begin with social studies. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed. Guadeloupe. Sports. Specifically, in which individual athletics event does the Jamaican Frederick Jacobs compete? That's Angel.
Discus throw.
The discus throw.
Correct. Bible knowledge. How many books are in the Bible's Old Testament? St. Jude's.
39.
39.
Correct. Science. What is the name for an idea that can be tested by observations or experiments about the natural world? Angels?
Hypothesis.
Correct. English language. Form an abstract noun from the word elegant. Angels?
Elegance.
Correct. Music. A standard piano has 88 keys. How many are white? (52) General knowledge. The process of pasteurization is named after which famous... That's Angels.
Louis Pasteur.
Louis Pasteur.
Microbiologist, that is correct. Television, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actress. That's Loretta Devine. Mathematics. If Paul had 165 marbles and he gave a third of them to Joe, how many marbles did Paul have left? (110) Social studies. In what year did Jamaican national hero Marcus Garvey establish the shipping company, the Black Star Line? (1919) Television. What is the civilian name of the superhero Superman? Angels?
Clive.
Incorrect, it's Clark Kent. Sports. This is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Nicholas Pooran, West Indies cricketer. Bible knowledge. How many times did Jesus tell his disciples that they have to forgive? St. Jude's.
7 times 70.
7
times 70.
7 times 70.
Incorrect, it's 70 times 7. Science. A simple machine usually has a maximum of how many moving parts? (2) English language. Complete this idiom, which means trying to achieve something thoroughly. Hook, line, and... Angels?
Sinker.
Correct. Music. What is the name of the vocal range between the soprano and the alto in women? That's Angels.
Mezzo-soprano.
Mezzo-soprano.
Correct. General knowledge. Warsaw is a major city in which European... That is St. Jude's.
Poland.
Poland.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Who is the chairman of the Sandals Group of hotels in Jamaica and the Caribbean? Adam Stewart. Mathematics. What is the area of an acute triangle with a base of 4 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters? St. Jude's?
18 centimeters squared.
Correct. Social studies. What is known as the growing of different crops in various cycles to avoid exhausting... That's Angels.
Crop rotation.
Crop rotation.
Correct. Bible knowledge. What is the name of the brook where the prophet Elijah was fed by ravens? It's Cherith. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of wanted. St. Jude's?
Unwanted.
Unwanted.
Correct. And the bell ends the match with Angels Primary on 33 and St. Jude's on 24. On 26, correct. 26. We'll double check those scores, and when we return, we'll give the final results right after these messages.